Like these days people are more behind MBBS or engineering. You go to any family function, people are always asking, are you doing engineering or MBBS? Usually research in science is not even an option in career. And I wanted to know how basic things work, what is the essence of life all around us. So I realized that research is what I wanted, and I looked up online to see what exams do you need to attempt to have a career in basic science, and I saw KVPY is one of the best because it not only gives admission to good colleges, but it also for motivation gives scholarship amount for every students who take up research as their career. Mainly is that you need to practice all the previous year question papers to know what exactly it is and to follow the trend. Like some years biology may be hard, maybe maths may be hard. So you need to know the trend. That will help you prepare much better for the upcoming exam. Plus online mock tests given by various websites is also helpful. You can learn about time management, like you need to solve so many questions, you need to have so much speed, accuracy. Plus CFL here gives mock tests also. So you can have the practice of writing both offline and online, so that is good. Well, almost everything is good because I found the best peer group here. Like I found someone who had the same interest as of me. So we both got together. We sat here at CFL. Like CFL, you're allowed to come here any time of the day, sit, study, and the library is very good. It has a good collection of books. Plus the teachers are almost always available. You can ask doubts anytime you want, and the modulus which they gave is also good. It's not just the simple level, not CET level, it's Olympiad level, which is mostly the kind of question KVPY come from. So that's good, and the teachers here, they teach very nicely, and you can understand what they teach, you can clear your doubts. It's almost not just sticking to one kind of exam. They give broadly like all kinds of exam, so you can like know what you want and you can prepare for that, and they support you here very much. Like if you say you want this, you can come here, write test anytime you want, and they fully support that. Like you should follow your heart, you should do what you want to do, not just because your parents or some society says, there's no money in this field, you don't earn a lot, you just have to sit and do work. But it's not about money, it's your own satisfaction, what you give to the society. It's at the end of the day, if you are happy, that's more than enough. Then basic science is really interesting. Plus there are less number of girls in that field. I would really like to tell the girls to they can do well. Like I went to the interview in IISc Bangalore, I saw very few girls, but that's a really bad thing. I mean, we say women empowerment, but there is no women empowerment, it's just in words. You should make it a reality. So I would like to say all the budding scientists, especially girls, you need to show that you can do anything, and at the end of the day, it's not money, it's your satisfaction.